I don't know what it is, guys, but a lot of my Fusion games get taken down from the Google Play Store. This one here, Kikabird, now has been removed from the Google Play Store, and I have no idea why. A few others have been tagged, and I simply removed them from the Google Play Store, like this one here. This was uploaded in 2013, and it has a problem with the API or something. So yeah, so I would recommend to use the latest API on Fusion if you create games with Creating Fusion. So now I made this with API 14 and I think 12. that was a while back. I don't know what they want. I have no idea what they want. Maybe upload a new version, or I think if you have the key, you can make the game in another game engine and just re-upload the game. Maybe I just need to save it with a newer API. Alright guys, I just wanted to let you know. So yeah, so heads up, use the latest API.